gorilla. Oh, here it comes. You got the keys. Good night, elephant. Good night, lion. Good night, hyena. Good night, giraffe. Good night, armadillo. They're coming into the house. They're getting into bed. Good night, dear. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. There's a gorilla on her pillow. She can't believe it. She's so surprised. She takes all the animals back to the zoo.